CMD, Certified Medical Diagnostics. ImuPro 300 Food Intolerance Test. Are you suffering in silence every day from chronic symptoms and repeated health problems that just won't go away? Despite frequent visits to doctors and therapists and medication, are you still unable to diagnose the reason for your unwellness and causes of your chronic ailments? Are you taking medications just to mask the pain, but never actually treating the causes of your health problem? Are you about to give in and say, I guess this is just how my body is? If what we have just described is you, then let us help you. Here's the reason why you should not give up. To unlock true wellness and achieve a food health balance. Technically, food intolerance, sometimes called delayed food allergies, is difficult to detect because of many reasons. We were not born with it. The intolerance may be for foods that we love and eat regularly. The visible symptoms are usually delayed by a few hours to a few days, so it is difficult to associate between the symptoms and which food you have eaten over the past 3 days. Yes, I'm afraid many of us are not aware that certain foods, even healthy and fresh ones, may be the cause of our problems. Possible indications of food as trigger of chronic complaints could include flatulence, constipation, diarrhea, irritable colon, Crohn's disease, high weight variations from day to day, obesity, especially if you are on a healthy diet and exercising but your body is not responding as expected, headache, migraine, hypertension, inflammatory skin diseases such as psoriasis, skin itchiness, eczema, dry skin, skin problems, muscle cramps, stiff joints and arthritis and joint complaints, frequent fatigue after meals. Certain food is not well tolerated. When fasting, remission of complaints, ADHD, and autism. Well, here's the good news. The search to improve your health and live a healthy lifestyle is over. Set yourself free and achieve true wellness and enhance your quality of life. Take the first bold step to move forward. Take the ImuPro 300 Food Intolerance Test, the world's leading diagnostic test for food intolerance, made available in Singapore and Asia Pacific, currently provided by CMD. The solution is very simple. Refrain from eating certain foods, and voila! You might have found the cause of the problem and feel happier and well again, as you progressively notice the disappearance of your chronic ailments. You need not worry about nutritional deficiencies even if you have to give up certain foods. The beauty of this test is alternatives are always provided to replace those food items you have to give up. But don't worry, those who stay off these foods for the recommended period of time most probably can start eating them again gradually. I'm sure you've heard this a million times and are most probably thinking that's exactly what my last doctor said. But with our ImuPro 300 Food Intolerance Test, most patients can see and feel improvement in a couple of weeks. And many of them use less and less medication as their symptoms improve. Don't believe it? Here's how we do it. A blood sample is taken and tested for 270 different food items to determine which food your body is responding to and which ones are safe to eat. Then CMD gives you 1. The list of these 270 food items and tell you which ones are safe and which ones are not. This way, you know for sure what foods you have to stop and what safe alternatives there are. They are grouped into categories like grains, dairy, vegetables, etc., so you can substitute safe foods from the same category and not get any deficiencies. 2. A personalized booklet printed fresh just for you, explaining how to eat healthy, what is that rotation diet, and a colored picture of each and every food that you are not allowed to eat, with an explanation of where this food comes from and where it can be found. For example, if the test result shows intolerance to eggs, then stay away from mayonnaise too, since mayonnaise contains eggs. 3. A personalized booklet with suggested recipes using only the ingredients of the foods you are allowed to eat. So get in touch with us today, right now, at 656-223-6001. Or email us at inquiries@cmdsingapore.com and start living the healthy life you've been aspiring when you achieve food-health balance. CMD operates in Singapore and collaborates with esteemed business partners in all Asia-Pacific locations in Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines, Hong Kong, Thailand, Vietnam, India, and China, and is a registered dealer to distribute and market ImuPro as a registered product with Health Sciences Authority in Singapore, HSA. Clients' testimonials. Emma. The test has saved me and my family many troubles and time. Michael Ray. I would highly recommend anyone to take the test if they care about their health. Dr. Grace Tan. I must admit that I did not think I would benefit, as I did not have any major health concerns prior to starting my avoidance diet. But I'm happy to tell you that my sniffing from my so-called sensitive nose has significantly reduced. Joe J. Chan Chu Fun. Will you recommend someone to take this ImuPro 300 test? Yes, I will recommend to anyone who suffers from eczema and has the desire to lose weight, the natural way. You should seriously consider this workable alternative solution. Soom Lee Ting. I have suffered from very severe skin problems since birth. I took ImuPro 300 test on 3rd October 2012. My eczema condition has substantially improved. I share with you my photos taken before and after. My weight is reduced from 57 kilograms to 55 kilograms. I can feel my overall health level has improved. Email inquiries@cmdsingapore.com. Visit us online at www.cmdsingapore.com or facebook.com/ImuProCMDSingapore. ImuPro 300, available in all of Europe, Canada, Brazil, South Africa, Turkey, Singapore, Saudi Arabia, Dubai, Australia, and all Asia-Pacific countries.